A good IndyCar pit stop takes only 6 seconds, but a lot of stuff happens during that time. It all starts with this flag. When Tony Kanaan pulls into the pit, it's his job to place his right front tire right under the flag. That way, the pit crew are all in the correct position to do their job quickly. Once the car's in place, the guy in the back uses a pneumatic jack set at 450 psi to lift the 1,600-pound car off the ground. This guy starts pumping 18.5 gallons of gas at 3 gallons per second. The tire changing crew unscrew the 1.5-inch lug nuts using drills set at 400 psi that rotate at 13,000 RPM. Unlike in NASCAR, Indy wheels have just one lug nut, so they remove it, take off the tire, and replace it. When they're done, other crew members pull their hoses away. This guy pulls away the pneumatic hose for the right front tire. While they're on the track, the drivers are communicating with the pit crew about how the car is steering. After they finish changing the tires, the guys in the front twist these metal things to adjust the height of the front flaps. At the end of the pit stop, the jack is lowered and 2 more things happen. They spray some water on the car, as you can see here and here. Sometimes a little bit of gas gets left over after they pump it in. The water dilutes it so there won't be a fire. And then these guys push the car away. A good push can help the car gain 2 to 3 tenths of a second as it speeds back up.